Welcome back to Kannur Online Class students. So in the previous class we studied about the 4 hormones that are secreted by humans, right? So next other hormones which are secreted are insulin, which is produced by pancreas. As I said, our human body is so complex that one organ works for many functions, or it functions many times. Like eyes in digestion, you have studied that pancreas also produce pancreatic juice which help in the digestion of the food. But pancreas also produce insulin. Right, now what is the function of this insulin? Whatever food is there, it is converted into glucose chain, right? And this insulin hormone lowers the blood sugar level in the body, right? So the function of insulin is to control the sugar level in the body. So where is it present? As you know that if this is the stomach, here you will find the pancreas. As I said, one function of pancreas is to secrete the digestive juices. What is the pancreatic juice? The other one is it also produces insulin. And what is the function? It reduces and regulates the blood sugar level. That is, whatever it lowers the sugar level in the blood. And what are the diseases caused by it? We will just study further about it. For now, the insulin is produced by a gland called a pancreas, and it is present below the stomach. The function of it is it regulates and reduces blood sugar level. So the next hormone is inhibitory hormone or releasing hormone, and it is produced by hypothalamus. Remember children, I have told you about hypothalamus and thalamus which is present in the brain. So this hypothalamus also plays a very important role in the pituitary gland. In the previous video I have told you pituitary gland is a gland which secretes many hormones. One is growth hormone, right? The hypothalamus also regulates the secretion of hormones from a pituitary gland. Whatever secretion comes from this pituitary gland, they are controlled by this hypothalamus. There was a question for 2 marks. What are the functions of hypothalamus? Much is not given in your textbook. This is an extra information. So hypothalamus, what it does, whatever secretions take place in the pituitary gland, it checks on it, or it regulates the secretion of hormones from this pituitary gland. Now, sex hormones. The males consist of testosterone and females secrete estrogen. Now, what are the importance of this sex hormones? As you know, bisexual organisms in which human beings are also involved. They are having separate male and separate female. Both male and female are having separate characteristics, right? They are not having same characteristics. Though body organization may be same, they are having separate characteristics. Let us take example in humans itself. Men have a beard. Women don't have a beard. Okay? Men have a strong sound. Women don't have a strong sound. If you see the body organization, females are having mammary glands. Now what are these mammary glands? Mammary glands are nothing but milk secreting glands, right? And males cannot give birth to babies, right? But females can give birth to babies. That means this differentiation in the characters, whatever is there, it is because of the hormones that are present in the body. So the male hormones are different and female hormones are different. When it comes to sex hormones, these all hormones will be same. Insulin, inhibitory, pituitary, thyroid, these all hormones will be same. But when you come to sex hormones, the sex hormones are different in males and different in females. Much is not given about the hormones, sex hormones in this chapter, but you will be studying and how do organisms reproduce in detail. Now the male hormone males secrete a hormone called testosterone. Testosterone is produced in a satellite structure in testis, right? So it is helping in the production of sperms. And it leads to the sexual maturity. When you mean sexual maturity, it is the development in the males that you call it as a sexual maturity. In females, the females secrete a hormone called estrogen, and this estrogen is secreted in ovaries which are present in the lower abdomen. which are present in a lower abdomen, and these also help in sexual maturities. Now, for a baby to form, eggs are required, and these eggs are produced because of, under the influence of this hormone called estrogen, in which gland? In ovaries. So these are all about the hormones, endocrine glands, their secretions and their location and functions. So quick question review. Okay, name the hormone which is secreted in males. Testosterone. Okay. Now, which are the hormones which are secreted, which help to regulate or reduce the blood sugar level? Hormone I am asking. Okay, that is insulin. Now we will be studying about two things here, about the diabetes and goiter. Two diseases we will be studying. Now these diseases are related to the hormones. They are related with the hormones. Not in that, just we will be studying about these diseases. So we will be studying about those two diseases. First we will go with diabetes. Now what is this diabetes? You might have heard people saying locally that sugar aa gayi thi, sugar aa gayi thi. What does this sugar aa gayi thi mean? Okay, it means that in English we call the word that is given to that sugar aa gayi thi is nothing but diabetes. Okay, diabetes is nothing but the sugar level in the blood or the glucose level in the blood increases. The glucose level in the blood increases, which is not good for the organs of the body, right? Now, how does this diabetes occur? What happens? What actually happens? Why does a person become diabetic? When this pancreas, which are present, do not produce, the pancreas which are there, do not produce sufficient insulin. When insulin is not produced in required quantity, automatically the sugar level in the blood, it increases. Okay, at that point they say the person becomes a diabetic. So nowadays they have tablets which controls the diabetes. There are different types of diabetes. Okay, and there are tablets which control the diabetes. But there are some patients in which the tablets also cannot control it. So in that case, what is done? They are given insulin injections. They are given, heard about it. They are given the injections of insulin. Earlier, what they used to do? They used to directly, the injection would be given into the patient who is suffering from diabetes. Directly, the injection was given in the pancreas, in the stomach. Nowadays, it has changed. It is given in the hands and all, right? So this insulin is injected into the body so that it controls the blood sugar level in the body. So you can see that diabetes is nothing but as a person who suffers from the disease of diabetes, the blood sugar level in his body is more. And to control this earlier by a very high rate, they were given with the injections of insulin. Okay, so this was all about diabetes. And next moving towards the disease that is goiter. Now what is this goiter, children? So from your previous classes, from 6th standard, you are studying about goiter. Let's study little bit in detail. That is thyroid gland. I have told you. Thyroid gland secretes thyroxine. Now, when the secretion of this thyroxine becomes less. Now, when does it becomes less? When there is less amount of iodine in the body, it leads to a disease called goiter. Now, what is this goiter? In the neck, earlier, you will not find it much now, okay? There is a swelling in the neck region. If this is the person, the neck region, there is a swelling, right? Not this much as I have shown you, but some persons are there whose neck has swollen so much, but there will be a swelling in the neck region, at this region. and this can be controlled by intake of iodine. So deficiency of iodine in the food results to a disease called goiter, and it is because of less, as I said, less iodine, and it can be you controlled by consuming iodized salt. So this was all about your control and coordination in control and coordination chapter. Okay, so any doubts, please contact. And what this chapter is very important from examination point of view. So children, please study this chapter carefully. Okay, bye.